5 a.m. I'm the only one awake. Today is the day that I leave for my trip to Scottsdale. If you guys watched my starting fresh video, I talked about how I was going to take you guys along on my trip. I'm usually terrible at vlogging on my trips, so I'm so sorry if I end up not vlogging at all on this trip, but I decided that when I come home I'm going to do a full recap of the trip and how everything went. But we're not even gonna put that out there. Like, I don't even know why I said that. We're gonna vlog on this trip. Like, I'm gonna vlog on this trip. It's my best friend Rachel. She's like our parents were best friends in Russia, and they both came over to the US before we were born, and we became best friends, so we've known each other since birth. It is her birthday, so I am going to Scottsdale today. It's a really quick flight, and I am excited because not only am I going to see Rachel and have a blast, and she has so many fun activities planned for us, but this is also going to be a really great test to all of the things. By the way, I look a hot mess. My hair has a hair mask in it and I'm wearing my bathrobe, so don't judge me. And it's 5 a.m, so literally cut me some slack. But not only is this going to be a really fun weekend filled with lots of fun activities and celebrations, but it's also going to be a really great test to all of the guidelines and you know, the rhythms that I've put in place for myself, all of the like guidelines and boundaries that I've put in place for myself, and to see if I can upstand them, and to see if I can stick with them or not. And that mostly is in regards to going out. I still want to enjoy Scottsdale during the day, and I want to have fun with friends, but I also want to like be able to wake up in the morning and like go for a cool hike and see the city and go lay by the pool and swim and not feel like gross. So we're gonna see, you know, it has not always been my strong suit to do both, but we are gonna make it our strong suit. I just woke up last week and decided that that's who we're gonna be, so that's who we're gonna be. We're gonna be that girl who can go out and who can go out during the day. I'm a very much an all or nothing person, if you guys haven't gathered from my other videos. I used to be that way with food. I'm not that way with food anymore, thank God. But with drinking, it's a different story. With going out, it's a different story. So anyways, one thing that I thought would be a really great way to keep myself feeling like I am still kind of in my normal rhythm was setting myself up for success. So that's my first tip. If you're going on a trip, set yourself up for success in a way of like planning ahead. And the first thing that I'm doing with that is bringing things that make me feel like I'm in my like routine or rhythm, that I'm not going to skimp out on, that I'm going to make sure that I do every single day. The first thing I packed was all of my supplements. This is not sponsored, but I have my probiotic and my hormone balancing pills that I take every morning. I have my Chinese herbs back here, and then I have activated charcoal in case my belly hurts, and then those are all like what I would take in the morning besides the charcoal. And then I also have like my nighttime supplements as well, so I'm gonna make sure that I'm in my routine and I take my freaking magnesium at night. I also brought a bag full of snacks. There's so much stuff in here, you guys. And this is like, I mean, the plane ride's literally like an hour, so I don't know why I went like ham, but like in case I get hungry, and also I'm staying at someone's house, I don't want to be like, hey, can I have a snack every 5 minutes? Like, you know, in case I get hungry, if I'm laying by the pool, I have like liquid IVs in here in case I'm dehydrated. Really setting myself up for success. I brought like 5 of those. I have Trader Joe's trail mix, I have a fruit bar, I have a ton of chocolate. I just drank some coffee, and I baked healthy cookies last night, so I'm gonna have a cookie as my pre-workout. And I'm gonna hit the gym for a little bit, come back, blow out my hair, like shower, wash this like orange ass freaking self-tan job off, and get going. I have to be at the airport. I'm aiming to get there for like 11:20, 11:15 because my flight's at 1. I'm that crackhead person that literally arrives 2 hours early, so I like to like go to Dunkin', get a coffee. So yeah, that's our plan. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll take you along. We're vlogging. I am wearing everything from Aloe Yoga. This little sweater, this top, these sweatpants, and then I'm wearing some Nikes. I can never really find anything good to eat at the airport. I always end up eating like just a bagel at Dunkin', and if I end up craving one, then I will, but like the plane ride is only an hour, so I'm thinking what I'm gonna do right now is make a piece of avocado toast to take with me for the drive over. Look how cute my Christmas tree looks also. For the drive over to, why is this not focusing on my face? Hello? For the, Jesus Christ, for the drive over to the airport. And I feel like that'll be the perfect little snack to have. And like I have like all those snacks that I showed you guys in my bag. So if I get hungry on the plane, I'll grab a coffee while I'm there and it should be good. I made one with avocado and one with cream cheese and strawberry jam. So we have a savory and a sweet. We made it to Scottsdale. We're getting ready for dinner. My period is making me really bloated, so love that for me. We are going to, what is the place called? Olive and Ivy. I've literally asked her this 1,000 times. Olive and Ivy. Rachel said there's really good salads there, so we'll have some nice healthy options. I had a few snacks and drank a lot of water, and I'm still bloated after a 1 hour plane ride, so it is what it is. But I will show you guys my outfit once. Ooh, that lighting is not cute. Once I'm all ready, but I'm really excited. We're celebrating, I already said this, but we're celebrating Rachel's birthday. So we're doing like a little girls' dinner. Should be a pretty chill night. And then we have like a little workout and some shopping and maybe a pool day planned for tomorrow. So I'll keep you guys updated. I will finish off the night when I get back. That didn't make any sense. Supplements. I filled up a whole thing of water in my PJs and I'm gonna journal. I had some Brussels sprouts, a healthy salad, a little bit of hummus, and some bread with pesto, and a sangria and an espresso martini, and it was phenomenal. And I am feeling amazing. It's only 10 o'clock. We're gonna have a nice workout tomorrow, so I'm gonna get to sleep and wake up feeling fantastic, so. Avocado toast that Rachel just chefed up for me. What's on this, Rach? Turkey bacon, an egg. These are some mushrooms, avocado, goat cheese.
Goat cheese crumbles.
And then what's the spread?
The everything bagel dip from Trader.
Yum. And then black, what did you put? What's
black garlic from Trader, and it is fire.
Black garlic. Mmm. Well, this looks bomb. Just got back from the gym, showered, and got ready. Well, not ready, I just put on clothes. And I'm just doing a little bit of self-care. Hey guys, I just left Sephora. Rachel's still in there. She's getting a whole new like makeup collection. She literally bought, I think, every product that Gucci Beauty has ever come out with. But I really have to go pee, so I'm on the hunt for like a little Starbucks or something. But I got a few things from Sephora. I got a NARS tinted moisturizer, I got a new beauty blender, and I got a Charlotte Tilbury just like setting powder. But I'm wearing a little, I showed you guys actually my outfit already. Super nice weather. We're at like this really adorable little shopping area, and it's been such a cute day so far, but I desperately need to find a Starbucks before I literally pay him a pound. We got salads and I completely forgot to vlog them. I scarfed. It was like a little Southwest salad with chicken. It was so good. But I literally ate the entire thing already, so love that for me. Hi guys, just got ready. We are heading out in a minute. Show you my little outfit. I put in my extensions today and curled them for the first time in so long. So feeling on right now, so I'll show you guys my fit. I'm wearing this little top. This, I forget where it's from, but it's like a little suede lace up top. And then these leather pants are from Tiger Mist. And I'm gonna wear my shoes, I believe, are from Ego. And this bag is from Fendi. Oh, that's nice, a tampon sticking out. Class. Checked in all day because we have honestly been really lazy, but we're at this adorable little spot called the Montauk. It's like Hamptons themed and it's super cute. Miss Rachel's here. We're just having a little cocktail. Last night was super fun. We ended up like dancing our asses off for so long.
How many steps?
I did 23,000 steps yesterday, which is pretty crazy for a vacation day. And to be honest, we slept later than we anticipated and we stayed out later than we anticipated, but we ate super healthy today. We rested a lot because we were just super tired from the night before. But now we're out and about. We're just grabbing a quick bite and then I think we're gonna meet up with our friends after. So this place is really cute. I'll like insert some clips so you guys can kind of see. Sunday. We're about to head out to brunch. It's my little outfit. I'm wearing like a little two-piece set. It's like a top and a skirt. I already had oatmeal this morning, so I woke up starving. And I had oatmeal with banana and peanut butter. And we're about to go out brunch. We have already looked at the menu. I think I'm gonna get the avocado toast. But yeah, I'm really excited. This place apparently is super good, so we're pumped. Hi guys, I just got home. I look absolutely horrendous, but I'm sitting here with a giant bottle of water. This morning in the airport, I had a, what's it called? Cookie butter iced latte with almond milk. And I also had like a turkey, egg and cheese, whole wheat wrap, like breakfast burrito type of situation. I just ordered some lunch from Bluestone Lane. It's on its way. I got some avocado toast and then I got a salad for tonight because I know I'm like pretty tired, to be honest. I woke up really early. I woke up at like 5 a.m. This morning and yeah, I'm pretty freaking tired. So I have to obviously change out of my gross airport clothes and shower, and I might get a workout in if I feel up to it later, but I also might not. I took the dog for a walk and stop it, buddy, stop. I took the dog for a walk and I'm just sitting here to catch up with you guys for a few minutes before my food gets here. But I wanted to say, I think this was a really interesting experiment in terms of my first trip, where I was trying my best to enjoy my trip, but also like not come home feeling, you know, gross and whatever. And although, yeah, I am more tired than I'd like to be, all in all, I would say I did okay. Did I take my vitamins and journal and drink so much water? Actually, I was really good at drinking water. That's one thing I was good at. Did I journal and read and go to the gym every single day and take my vitamins? No, I did not. Did I eat healthy, balanced meals, also having treats, while also having some like cocktails and fun with friends? Yeah, I did. And I feel like there's nothing wrong with that. And I was thinking about it this morning. I was like, wow, like, you know, like I didn't wake up and journal every single day. I didn't go to the gym every single day. Like I did once out of the like 3 days that I was there. But what I will say is that that's kind of the beauty of like going away for a little bit, stepping out of your routine and then coming back to your routine. So I realized that my goal here, like for next time I go on a trip, is pants. What the hell are you doing over there? My goal for the next time I go on a trip or like am out of my routine is not going to be to stay in my routine. It's more so about, you know, allowing yourself to step out of your routine, and like it's more about the bounce back, you know what I mean? Like I came home, I'm gonna get work done, I'm gonna eat healthy meals, I'm gonna go to the gym and get a good night's rest, and then tomorrow just get back to it. So literally that's like, I feel like so much more important to learn how to do is like just bounce right back, get straight back into routine, and don't even let it get you bogged down. Because I feel like for me before, the worst part about going out or having like unhealthy meals or not working out for a few days would be the fact that I felt guilty about it the next day. It was honestly the guilt and that whole mentality of like, well, I kind of ate like crap yesterday and blah 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 blah, so I may as well just continue it today and like feel like trash about yourself. That's the worst part of it. It's not even the fact of what you did the day before, it's like it's how you make yourself feel the following day. So my point here, ladies and gents, is that yeah, it's not about staying in routine while you're out of your routine, because you're literally I'm in a different state. I'm not sleeping in my own house. My dog is playing with the ball on the floor, and like obviously you're going to be thrown out of routine. It's not normal to stay in your little routine while you're out, and it's good to allow yourself to enjoy life and be a regular person. But yeah, I'm really excited to get back at it. I'm super excited to edit this video and just work all week and have a productive, it's Monday morning, like actually it's Monday afternoon, but whatever. Let's have a freaking productive week. I had a great time in Scottsdale. Yeah, I think I did pretty freaking good.